I'm finna go up in the store with these niggas in there. Cause these goddamn niggas left me and shit. These niggas really left me. It's crazy. They left me. Shit crazy, man. I told they finna go, but damn, I ain't think they finna go like that. I just shaved.
Seafood took my shit.
Seafood took my shit.
I had an allergic reaction to my hair, bro.
Yeah, EDO.
You allergic?
I ain't allergic to crab, but I don't want to be smelling like that.
Yeah, you think you said it so right with every time. One day you came home.
He smell like he just fucked the goddamn stink bit.
Man, like, I don't know, that nigga.
That smell turned.
Like he just be around good, but you don't need to eat it.
Something.
Oh, bro. You know that girl came over there?
Yeah. It's about that girl German had finger and licked their fingers.
No.
But you know what I'm saying? You ain't do that. You wanted to, though. You know what I'm talking
That
about.
girl told her to turn the porch that day.
You wanted to do it. Don't lie. Don't lie, say you wanted to do it. This shit weird. This shit weird, bitch. Girl, this shit weird, bitch. Heck yeah. Walk over this bit. Check out what to drink. What the hell? I ain't never drunk none of this. Who sip on this stuff? I need Woodbridge. All this type stuff. I don't know what this is. Yeah. Hey, but do what you be drinking on it? This type of stuff you be drinking on it.
Yeah. Got me a little
Beringer.
They don't say vodka, but it's vodka. You feel me?
Yeah.
This shit. It's a man right. Hey, you ain't never $6.
$10 for what is this? Barefoot. They got baby foot drink.
Oh,
baby
yeah,
foot
feet
liquor.
eye. I mean, go ahead and do it.
Go with it.
Quick eye, bro. Oh, it's a fish eye.
What is it?
I'm gonna go ahead and do it.
I don't hear it.
I said feet eye. You say fish eye.
They boy back at work. He right in that seafood area for real. He give me a job down here. My boy right here. My boy J 2 time he get down here. Come help. Get y'all back some action coming. Something. I'm putting my new baby.
Anyway.
My new family.
Heard what I said?
Look, Cockeyed doing that shit.
Let me hold a bit.
You got it.
She gonna feel real threatened when she see you in
Look,
there.
Cockeyed on that hoe. But it don't even matter. Don't even know what the tank top on.
Oh, baby.
2 degrees outside.
Oh,
And you know how scared she was right when we went to her grill. Let me tell you how scared she was with Ryan.
Chicken good. Yeah.
Really?
I need it.
Hey, the hot chicken be good. Oh, what chicken?
I got honey mustard, some Kiki pork fries.
Oh, you went to Wing Plus?
Yeah.
I heard Kiki Poo. I already knew what it was. Hey, this chicken be so raw right here.
Sprite at first.
This chicken be so raw.
I forgot what I said. Sprite.
The only kind be good is the well, I don't know about this. I know about that hot chicken. That bitch be good. I ain't even got no more. I got an FM there, that stick don't tap. Huh?
I can deal with it.
I was saying.
Don't go to this place.
I look the cock out of his head. Let me see how to do this thing. Let me see. I'm doing it.
What this?
Let me see.
They probably ain't gonna give me that though. The credit.
I did it.
I ain't got no credit. They gonna try to get.
Okay.
I need to come holler at you then. Don't mama got no stamp. I need to come holler at you when I get my money right. I'm on the right.
Y'all got them stamps.
I got all shit though.
I got all the snacks, boy. We spend out y'all house. We move.
Got around like that?
Hey, we moving around. With y'all. I
I ain't
mean,
gonna let you get another car until you pay that.
we moving there with y'all until y'all food. Until y'all food
Can't
get
they
done.
be her stamp?
I don't know. Can't spend a lot of money. She spent a lot of money on. She spent a lot of money.
On what?
I don't even know. I heard grandma say when we was in the car. Cause she said Candace said Aaron did good. Aaron spent $200 at Wendy's and $50 at Milo. I mean at Marino's.
Why you say that? She better be got my snacks.
But she got some Rice Krispies, 2 boxes. She got some honey buns. She got honey buns. I ain't see. Y'all got some chips.
They gonna want to eat.
Y'all got some fruity snacks. Bro, y'all got some. Bro, I don't eat crab.
I'm saying, you think that'd be good?
No. Hell nah. What is that? That's a leg, boy. You mad?
I'ma die by my respect. I don't look like I'm looking at the other side. That's not crazy.
Yeah. No, you should have held it like these.
I look cocky.
No, you holding it the right way.
Hold it like this. Oh,
Camera
heck
down, the
no.
camera down, the camera down.
I'm here. I know. That's a little even more retarded. They're a little more retarded. I'm just, it's best to do it like this. For real. Hey, they got animal on it. Let me get some toilet tissue. Man, I want my mom to buy that Charmin. That Charmin so soft, but
Charmin.
growing up, mama ain't never buy Charmin. What Scott it? That Scott. The hard tissue. Scrub your booty. Ugh. Hurt your booty.
Make it leave a scrape on your butt.
Hell come off on
And it
that.
be burning.
You gotta get that Charmin Ultra Strong.
Ultra strong.
Whoa, what the other good sauce? That Bounty. That Bounty so thick.
No paper towels though, bitch.
Yeah, it run out so fast though.
Yeah.
That's the thing about Bounty, man. I'm trying to put y'all on this tissue life. Yeah. And see, this right here, y'all know nobody, because it's for rich folks. That Continental.
Yeah. Oh my, clean ripple. Oh my.
See, this shit they make out of wood right here. I remember this shirt on the commercial. You know what I'm saying? I love cock out of it. Yeah, look at it. Yeah, that. They made this out of wood right here. I don't know what I'm talking.
Yeah, he chopped it down.
Hey, they make tissue out of wood for real? Oh, they do.
Trees?
Paper.
Oh, trees, paper.
Paper come from wood, yeah. I'm working the pharmacy.
Just stop it.
But if you don't want to be, what he said,
Suck. Never chew.
what he said, you don't want to be on the dance floor, right? and some gum fall off your mouth, and the Tic Tac fall out the mouth because they're real small.
They ain't gonna see him.
On my
What about these
I
though?
did.
On my head, dude.
I
What about
did,
these?
What hell, nah. What the fuck? Suck. What for Thanksgiving?
Never chew.
I mean, Valentine's Day.
That is Valentine's Day?
That what it's
No, they nasty.
But it say to and from.
What's up?
Going around.
Retake.
Come on, big.
What's up?
Come on, what's the
That's all, big. You keep blinking, bro. Stop blinking so much.
What's up? Come on, stop.
I ain't even did that, bro.
What's up?
after you got five?
Look, cause look. It's funny cause look. It's funny cause you keep on talking.
I think I walked behind you. What's up? Average.
Why you keep laughing?
No more.
I ain't trying to laugh, bitch. It's just funny though.
Suck.
But you laugh, I'm just smiling. When you laugh, I laugh, bro. You say suck.
Suck. Retard that one. I'm getting it, bro. Get it, bro. Come on.
I said, hey, look, you said, hey, look, man, you said, hey, look, hey, look, you said, look, look, you said, suck.
Alright, here we go. Suck. Never chew. That was good. Hey, that was good right now. You can't lie. That one right there was good. Bro, come on, man. Turn that one off. Hey. 23 spread. Oh, shit. Good job,
You know what?
big,
I wasn't
big.
even recording the
You need
whole
the bag
time.
for her, big.
I wasn't even recording the
You need
whole
the bag
time.
for her.
I wasn't even recording the whole time.
So you need to stop lying. Feel like they be vlogging. Feel me?
Like that.
You should have hopped down. She looked at me like she said, you gotta be Candace's brother.
That's the girl.
Yeah, I look just like her.
That's the girl that walked in.
Hey, look though. Let me go to this store right
That's the
here.
girl when I walked in. She was
Get
like,
these chips.
yo, boy, y'all got that same thing.
I'm gonna get the wop. I'm gonna get the wop fetish. My boyfriend get the.
I'm getting fed up.
You getting the Migos?
I'm getting fed up.
Oh, I'm getting the fitted wop too. Get that shit. I hit the front door. Hey, young OG on up the road. Run up in your house like commando. Every day. Ah, yeah. So, you ain't hear the shit. What you doing? You just walking. Fuck that shit. When
I got my game.
finna get the walk fit. How should I hold the camera like these or like these? I'm just holding like these. Like, yeah, I know we boy, they clearing the racks off. Ain't no more fetish, bitch.
You know what?
Who took all the walk fetish?
Somebody did that on purpose on Mike.
Bro, come on, they took all the walk
It's all
fetish.
good, though.
But see, these the next best thing to them, though, you feel me? These right here the next best thing to them. Them booster chips, they look too spicy for me. These the next best thing to them, you feel me? Real talk.
Yeah, we on no rapper chips. We ain't no rappers though.
The little gas station going right across.
Mobile,
Mobile.
I guess.
We finna come out right now, anyway. Make sure I get these done to me. They handy, real talk. I ain't closed.
Damn, let you in here.
Oh, no, I ain't closed though.
You know you can't come in here.
Man, I'm grown. Well,
Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
21.
No, be someone come here my ass.
Hold you right there.
Fuck them. Niggas finna die. What's up now?
You got some questions.
Huh?
You got some questions.
Just waiting on all four. Right now.
No, no.
Yeah, waiting on all four. Right
That's all we doing.
now. Oh, man. Yeah, doing good. What's up?
Okay, it's real, huh?
You hearing that there?
Really good, though.
You hearing that there?
That's a dude.
What's my look?
That's a dude, yeah.
Oh shit, my bad for calling you gay, bro. I didn't know. I thought it was a girl.
Hey, by now, I'm not really dude. Open the little geek. They not gonna win the ball right there.
He finna go crazy. Then I realized that the police walked in the liquor store. He finna go crazy. Police just walked in the ABC store finna go crazy. Oh my. Got some water down there, Kiki Poo. Hope not. I hope not. Shit. Back from down outside was cold as hell. I just came home to this damn chicken up though. Feel me? Wing Plus. Hey, you ever go to Wing Plus? Honey mustard chicken. Ah, show them shirt on. I'm gonna go to camera right. Honey mustard chicken with the Kiki Poo. That shit gonna be smashed. I'm telling you. If it ain't this long though. Big G-bone cut.
Nigga, you came all the way up here and ate your chicken and walked back down there?
No, I ate the chicken when I just got back. Finna end the vlog, bitch. Yeah,
she be on codeine, all I want is money. All she want is me. She just wanna be loved, she just wanna be pleased. All I want is money, all she want is me. All I want is money, all she want is me. All I want is money, all she want is me.